What is the easiest way to get a business loan? Ready to get money to fund your business idea? Or maybe you already have a business and you just need some money to grow it to the next level. Well, in this episode, I'm gonna share with you all of the secret ways to get loans the easiest way possible so that you can get thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars for your business today. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, or you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
I'm gonna share with you an easy step-by-step process on how to get approved for a business loan, even if you have a new business. I'm gonna share with you the exact places where you should apply so that you get approved, not denied. And I'm gonna share with you a hassle-free way to get business loans that don't even require your social security number. I'm just gonna cut to the chase. The easiest way to get approved for a business loan is obviously going to be having good credit. Now, having good credit will allow you, even with not having a great business or a business that makes a lot of money, get approved for a business loan. In many cases, if you have good personal credit, a high FICO score over 720 and things like that, you will be able to get approved for a loan that you could use for any purpose just by signing your name in many cases. There are all types of loans, personal loans or signature loans that you can go get where you apply it to a bank and they will approve you without having any tax returns, without showing your bank statements, or even having to show your income. In many cases, having good credit will allow you to just go to the bank, sign on the dotted line, and end up with $25,000, $50,000, or even $100,000 for a business loan or a personal loan that you can use for business purposes. Now, let me tell you a secret. Even if you have bad credit, you can easily get good credit first. I used to have terrible credit, and my friend Justin Murch at Creative Credit Solutions helped me turn my credit score from very poor to very good. I have a great credit score today thanks to the information and the knowledge and the services from Creative Credit Solutions. They helped me add authorized user accounts. They helped me consolidate my debts. They told me all types of secrets that really boosted my credit score, and it didn't even cost a lot of money. Before we get into some other ways on how to get a business loan, if you have bad credit and you want to have good credit, call my friends at Creative Credit Solutions and use the link below so that you can get a free consultation and save tons of money. Okay, now let me tell you the next point. Getting a business loan in most cases requires you to have a business that can be found. So many times you will have a business. Maybe you do hair or you do nails or photography or different side hustles that you do as a business, and now you're trying to take it to the next level. Actually having a real business, a business that is registered with the Secretary of State, meaning you will get your LLC, your limited liability corporation, or you will get registered as a corporation, a C Corp or an S Corp. These things will allow you to be seen and found by companies that want to lend to real businesses, but you have to be registered with the Secretary of State. The next thing that you're going to need is an employer identification number, or EIN. This will work like your business's social security number. They will literally pull this number up, and in many cases you will not have to use your social security number when you are applying for business loans. I'll get to that part in a second. The next thing that you're going to need to have an actual business that can get funded is a professional website, a professional phone number, and a professional email. Just those 5 things, like I said, being registered with the Secretary of State, having an EIN, professional phone number, professional email, professional website, those 5 things will allow you to be a real business in the eyes of lenders that are looking to lend to businesses just like yours. I know you have heard all of these different myths or maybe stories that you've had to have your business for 5 or 10 years, but that is simply not the case. There are ways for businesses to get approved for a business loan, even if you're a new business. Let me tell you that part. If you have a business and you are trying to get business funds, you have to decide and know what it is that you're going to do with the business funding before ever applying to any lenders. Lenders want to see that you are looking to get funds for your businesses, not to pay down debts or to keep the business afloat, but usually to grow the business. Things like marketing. You may say that I want to do this big marketing campaign. I've been running these ads and they've been successful, so I want to spend more money on these ads because I know I can get a return on my investment. Again, they want to hear that you're going to do something that will grow the business. Or you could say, I'm looking to get a business loan so that I can hire more people. Hiring more people in your company, even if it's just virtual assistants, shows that your business is growing and that you need help and you're trying to grow the business, not by doing everything yourself. Lenders love lending to businesses that have multiple people and that are job creators. They love knowing that they're growing the economy and lending and funding businesses that are growing, not businesses that are shrinking. So using business funds to grow your business and hire more people, even if it's contractors or virtual assistants, is an excellent reason to apply for a business loan and a reason that you want to give to lenders as to what you are going to do with the business funds. Another amazing thing that you can do with business funding is you can even use it to buy inventory. Some people have physical businesses. Maybe they sell t-shirts. Some businesses sell physical items that they need to ship out or have in their stores for people to buy. This is inventory. Lenders love lending to businesses that need inventory because that means they have sold out the inventory that they already had and they are going to be selling more of it. If you tell the lender that you are going to be using this funds in order to buy more inventory, that is a reason more lenders will lend to you. They want to see that you've been able to sell the previous amount of inventories, not just get new inventory so that you could sell for the first time. Being able to show that you have sold something, even if it's a small amount in the past, will really help you get approved for more funds from a business lender because again, they want to lend to businesses that are growing, not shrinking. So now that you know what you can do with the business funds and you know the reason to put down when you are applying for business funding, let me share with you some places that you can go to get business loans. Business loans are all around. There are lenders that specifically lend to businesses, and that's pretty much all they do. Businesses of all sizes, businesses that make maybe only $5,000 or $10,000 a month, and businesses that earn $20, $30, and hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Again, you want to have a business that's at least earning maybe $5,000 or $10,000 per month. However, there are lenders that will lend to businesses with much lower revenue streams. But the key to it is knowing what you're going to do with the business funds and in many cases having some good personal credit to back up the loan in case you default. Now, putting your business together for a business loan is not difficult. Like I said, you just need to have those 5 major things, and then there are lenders that will help you find the perfect program for you. However, if you're a startup business and you're looking for some easy places to get loans, I suggest merchant processing companies like Square, which has Square Capital, or Stripe that has Stripe Capital, or even PayPal or QuickBooks. These companies allow you to either do bookkeeping or accept credit cards in your business. And once they see that you have accepted some credit cards, even if it's for some small amount of services, they will lend you money. Maybe it's not hundreds of thousands of dollars. In many cases, these smaller merchant processing will even lend to newer businesses. I have had students that have been able to get even $10,000, $20,000, or $50,000 with a new business that they just started doing merchant processing with. Again, these companies may charge a higher fee for the money that they give you, but they will loan you that money in your business's name after just a few months of doing business with them. Again, they want to incentivize people and business owners to continue using their services, using businesses that use their services to accept credit cards, then lending those businesses money so that they can get even more customers. Think about that. If PayPal, for example, sees that you are using their services to accept credit cards for your customers, now they want to lend you money so that you can get even more customers. They want you to buy inventory or do marketing or hire more people so that you can grow your business. Again, there are small lenders like those merchant processing accounts, and there's even bigger lenders. I'll tell you about that in just a second. All of these types of lenders will help you get to that next level, even if your business is not making a whole lot of money, and in many cases they will not ask for your tax returns or your personal bank statements. Now, if you have great credit already, you can probably get approved for a business loan or a loan that you can use for your business funds pretty much immediately. There are videos that I have where I teach you exactly how to build business credit. You can check out that playlist right here. It's an entire playlist where I teach you exactly how to build business credit from scratch. In this video, I'm not going to go into that detail. Please watch that entire playlist. But let me tell you about some lenders that will lend to you without having to build business credit at at all. So many of you guys know that if you get a business checking account, there are lenders that will lend to you with just 3 months of business checking account statements. Well, in many cases, you can just go into the bank, open up a business checking account, and they will offer you a business credit card or a business loan or even a business line of credit right there on the spot in your business's name. Yes, in your own business's name. Banks like Bank of America, Chase, and Wells Fargo. Now, here's the catch. You will have to have good personal credit. And again, if you're like Noelle when she first started, you don't have good personal credit, that is not a problem. Again, use the link below to call my friends at Creative Credit Solutions. They can help you fix your personal credit really quickly and get you to that next level. Now, when you go to those banks, like I said, the big banks, like those big banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America, and open up a business checking account, in many cases, they will give you an offer right there on the spot, and you can walk out with a business credit card right then and there. Check this out, and I can even teach you more about it, or even my friends at Creative Credit Solutions can hook you up with some other lenders that can help you get approved for great business funding. There are so many easy ways to get approved for a business loan, whether it be in your business's name or even getting personal loans that you use for business and then getting business loans and paying those personal loans off. Call my friends today at Creative Credit Solutions and let them help you. There is a link below that gives you a free consultation, and they have helped not only me, but so many of my students get to the next level and get all of the funding that they need for their business and save their personal credit in the process. You do not have to rely on your personal credit, but it's a great way to get started and then get business funds and pay off those loans from your personal credit and have great personal credit for the rest of your life, just like Noelle. My friends at Creative Credit Solutions help me do that, and I want them to help you do the same. Don't forget to use the link below, because I want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.